First of all, keep in mind that these are all models, which describes the different functionalities that a network must provide. So without further ado, let's see the difference between these two models. First, we talk about OSI or Open System Interconnection model. It has 7 different layers which provide 7 different functionalities that a network must have. The first layer is physical layer. It is the simplest layer which tells us about the cabling system and topology. Here we decide the type of cable we should use in our network and that type of stuff. The second layer is data link layer. Anything that work with MAC addresses work at this layer. We mostly talk about switches and network card at this layer. The third layer is network layer. Anything that has to do with logical addresses work at this layer. Here we started to talk about IP addresses and routers. Note that data link layer deals with physical addresses while the network layer deals with logical addresses like IP addresses. The fourth layer is transport layer. As the data is big at this layer, it gets fragmented and reassembled. Transport layer ensures that the data reached at destination in good order. The fifth layer is session layer. In the early days of networking, the applications were not network aware. We used to have the separate layer for this purpose. Here we talk about the actual connection between two systems, like connection between a server and a client. The session layer establishes, maintains, and synchronizes the interaction between communicating systems. The sixth layer is presentation layer. It is really what it says. It presents the data in such a way that your application can read it. And the last layer is application layer. Here the word application refers the services in the application that make the user to access the network. Now that is all about the OSI model. Let's see the TCP IP model. TCP IP model is more simple than the OSI. It has only 5 layers. The first, second and the third layer is same as they were in OSI model. The physical layer talk about the cabling and topology. The data link layer deals with MAC addresses. Network layer deals with IP addresses. And the fourth layer is transport layer. Its job is to fragment and reassemble the data. Here it uses TCP and UDP to get the data to the application layer on the other side. And the last layer is application layer. It is equivalent to the combined session, presentation and application layer in the OSI model. As you might get little bit confused with the difference between these two models, but don't be confused. We'll talk more about this. Keep in mind the name and the number of different layers in these models, and that's it. As the matter of fact, the OSI model was never fully implemented, and TCP/IP is the only standard on which internet was developed. So guys, that's it for this video. See you soon in the next one.